The biggest problems were the night sweats, the hot flashes, definitely noticed a lot of weight gain.
I always hear the same thing. It's like, but I'm doing everything. I'm doing everything I used to and it's not working anymore. Do you realize your body composition has changed? So you cannot do that. When you go through the perimenopausal and menopausal transition, your ovaries start to reduce the production of estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. So as your estrogen levels decrease, there are metabolic changes that occur within your body, and that causes a shift in the redistribution of your body fat. And that body fat tends to centralize around your inner organs, your heart, your intestines, and that tends to lead to a larger waist circumference. Hormone replacement therapy is estrogen, progesterone, and a form of testosterone that is either oral or transdermal, meaning it's a patch or a cream applied to your body that replaces what your ovary would normally produce as you go through the menopause transition, and those levels tend to decline.
Winona provides natural bioidentical hormone replacement therapy to restore your hormone levels. Once your hormones are back in balance, weight loss becomes possible. Winona's HRT prescriptions are customized to fit your specific needs.